In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean and professional resume in Microsoft Word using the latest version. You don't need any design experience. Just follow along step by step. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word opens, click on New to view the available templates. In the search bar at the top, type Resume and press Enter. Word will display a variety of resume templates you can choose from. Pick a simple and modern layout that matches your style. Then click Create to open it. Now it's time to customize the resume. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your own information. Add your full name at the top, followed by your phone number, email address, and location. Next, update the summary or objective section. Write a short paragraph that highlights your skills, experience, or career goals. Move on to the work experience section. List your most recent job first, then include your job title, company name, dates of employment, and a few bullet points describing your responsibilities and achievements. After that, update the education section. Add your degree, school name, and graduation year. If you have certifications or relevant training, you can include those as well. You can also edit the skills section. List key skills that are relevant to the job you're applying for, such as technical skills, software knowledge, or soft skills. To make your resume look polished, adjust the font size, spacing, and alignment if needed. Keep everything clean and easy to read, and avoid using too many colors or fonts. Once you're done, click File, then Save As, and choose where you want to save your resume. It's a good idea to save a copy as a PDF before sending it to employers. And that's it. You've successfully created an easy and professional resume in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.